Hey YouTube, today we are making some banana plantains. I'm gonna show you guys how to fry it. This is the oil, and right here is the banana plantain. We're gonna go ahead and put a dash of flour and fry it. Put a dash of salt and a dash of flour, and here we are. And then you're gonna mix it and put it in your oil. It's gonna make it very crispy and delicious. Here we are after mixing the flour and a little dash of salt. Here it is. That's how it look, golden brown. Then you remove it, you put it in your bowl and put a paper towel underneath to absorb all the oil. And look at those bananas. Ooh wee, so delicious. And we have one last batches left to accomplish. Here's the finished product. This is how the banana plantain looks like, and you could eat it with meat, fish, any side dish that you prefer, or you could eat it as is. Voila! Enjoy!